Hello and welcome again to Brand Stories by Shine with Yamini. Today in this video you are going to know about the best variety of tomato ketchup available in the market. Which brand is offering you the purest form of tomato ketchup? As we all know that it's an essential ingredient present in almost all kitchens and no pantry can think of being complete without it, isn't it? You think of anything like any food, like for example if you think about Indian snacks, samosas, pakoras, chips, whatever. You talk about food from any other country, like let's take macaroni, chow mein, what else? Sandwiches. Let's talk about continental food. You need those tomato ketchups, right? So it's very important for us to know what we are consuming. That's our right. So we must know. For you, I have done this homework. For the last week, I have been just doing a lot of study over this, and I have discovered that some brands are actually not offering the right thing to you. So the right thing is like lots of tomato pulp, less of sugar content, and soil content also should be low. So I have brought this video for your sake. Do watch till the end to find out whether you're consuming the right brand's tomato ketchup or not. So the first one is Smith & Jones. They prepare tomato ketchup out of ripened tomatoes and also a lot of spices and herbs. They have understood the Indian market very well. That is why they also offer the Jan version of tomato ketchup, which is without onion and garlic content in it. Second one in the line is Heinz tomato ketchup. Heinz is known for its thickness, for its richness in tomatoes, and also for its consistency. So that is why it sells hugely, and it is the highest selling tomato ketchup in the world because it flaunts of having no preservatives. Well, how do we know? We know because of the descriptions written on the packages. They have no preservatives, and it has been probably tested many a times and it has been found that really it's without preservatives. Next in the line is Kissan tomato ketchup, known for its purity, known for its thickness and richness. And it's also selling well because it is known for the other products more, like other types of sauces that it's offering to Indian market. So that is why it's known more and it sells. Another one is Del Monte. It is known for its authenticity and it is one of the oldest brands which sells tomato ketchups, started in the year 1886. So we can rely on this, right? Because it flaunts of its authentic product. Next in the line is Sil tomato ketchup. It came in the year 1952 and later it was sold to Bombay Oil Industry, and it's one of the most demanded tomato ketchups in the Indian market and required by the restaurant industry. So it's known for its richness in the nutrients. Per 100 gram, this particular product, this particular ketchup offers a balanced quantity of carbohydrate, protein. Next in the line is Cremica tomato ketchup. It's really very popular and it's one of the best tomato ketchups available in our Indian market. You know why? Because comparatively it has got a little more tangy taste and less of sugary taste. And apart from all this, it also has that garlic tint to it. So that is why this added flavor of garlic gives it a lot of special and unique property as compared to its competitors. Next in the line is Everest tomato ketchup. Everest is an Uttar Pradesh based firm and it is very popular in India because it is offering different types of packages based upon customers' demand. It offers tomato ketchups in small sachet, in pouches, in small bottles, in big bottles, and different types of packagings are available based on customer demand. And Walmart is selling this product everywhere. Now next in the line comes Ching's tomato ketchup. Ching's is very popular in India because of its wide range of products. It offers a lot of products like instant noodles, instant soup, and so many other products. That is why its ketchups also sell well in the market, and there's no other special reason for its richness or any other thing for its quality. Then comes Maggi tomato ketchup. and it is the highest selling tomato ketchup in India. It's liked by children very much, and the only reason for this high demand in Indian market is because of its product Maggi instant noodles. So next in the line, that is last but not the least, is Topps tomato ketchup, and it's the best tomato ketchup available in the market. You know why it's best? Because each and every tomato used in preparing tomato ketchup is first sent to lab for microbiological testing, and then finally it's selected for preparation of tomato ketchup. So this much they are ensuring to customers. So much of hygiene is taken care of, and they are really rich in tomatoes. Hope you loved watching this video, and do come up with your comments and feedback so that I can improve upon my videos and come with better videos for you. Bye bye. Take care.